Just tell us when you're on it and getting ready.
Okay, I like the shot.
You know he's gonna miss it.
Because of the pressure.
But I gotta take my safety off, so.
Okay. Is Aaron James holding his ears? Okay.
Yeah.
Everyone ready?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Filming? Ready? And fire.
Nice.
Smell the wood. That's crazy. Oh, good. Now
All right, I got that all.
See that piece of the tree? Put the safety on. What do you think, Aaron James? Did it almost blow that tree down? Blue. Hot out of that tree.
Oh my goodness.
That takes a lot of force to do.
Yes.
I mean, a lot of force.
Hey, notice no paint can. No paint can. Did you see where that piece of tree hit right by your truck?
Did it?
Yeah.
I mean, I saw.
Hey, don't we have some little Tannerites left?
Yeah. I put that little one behind it.
We'll see if we can take it all the way down.
We put it behind. We already
Let's
put it
take
in
the
there.
whole thing down.
Check this out.
That's a good
I was on action
Oh.
mode.
Have that go through you.
Hold on, go.
Let's take the whole tree down.
Ooh, that is